In today's fast-paced business environment, the role of an office manager is vital for ensuring organizational efficiency, productivity, and success. Did you know that companies with effective office management practices experience up to 25% higher employee engagement and satisfaction? Introducing the Office Manager Certificate Training Course, a comprehensive program designed to equip professionals with the knowledge and skills to excel in the dynamic role of an office manager, ensuring smooth operations, efficient resource management, and a positive workplace culture. This intensive course covers a wide range of topics, including office administration and operations management, project management fundamentals, budget and resource planning, communication and interpersonal skills, and creating a positive and inclusive work environment. Participants will learn how to streamline office processes, manage resources effectively, and foster a collaborative and productive workplace. For organizations, investing in this training can lead to improved operational efficiency, reduced operational costs, enhanced employee engagement and productivity, and a competitive edge in attracting and retaining top talent. By ensuring effective office management, companies can create a supportive and well-organized workplace that facilitates success. Individuals who complete this course will emerge as certified office management professionals, capable of driving organizational success through efficient operations and effective resource management. They'll gain the expertise to optimize office processes, manage projects and budgets, cultivate a positive workplace culture, and ensure smooth day-to-day operations. Don't miss this opportunity to master the art of office management and unlock the full potential of your organization's operational efficiency. Enroll in the Office Manager Certificate Training course today and gain the expertise to drive organizational success through effective office administration and management. Spaces are limited, so act now to secure your spot and elevate your professional game.